So next we are going to start new topic that forces are due to interaction. So we are studying the chapter force and pressure. Force and pressure. So in this chapter we studied what is force. So now we are studying what another topic that forces are due to interactions. Forces are due to interactions. So forces are due to interactions. So what is meant by interaction? That I will study. That we can study. We can check. Suppose, listen here. A boy is standing. A boy is standing behind a car. A boy is standing behind a car. And next time, the first case, in this picture, the boy is just standing behind the car. The boy is not touching the car. Is not touching the car. Car is not moving. Okay. Next, when the boy start to when the boy touches the car and pushes, at that time and gives force. So at that time car moves. Car moves. So when the boy touches the car and pushes, then car moves. Okay. So in first case, in the presence of this boy, car is not moving. Second case, the boy pushes the car and gives force. Okay. So then car moves. Okay. So next is what? So here the first case, the car and the boy are separated. They are not touching. Second case, boy starts to giving force. Okay. So this is an example of force. And third picture view that two girls are pushing each other. The first girl is pushing other, and second girl is pushing first. Okay. Here this is an example of also a force. This picture. Okay. Two girls are pulling each other. First, this girl is pulling this girl, and the second girl is pulling the first. Okay. This picture, the a boy is pulling cow. Okay, pulling a cow. So in all these examples, this is an example of force, and this is an example of force. This is an example of force. This is an example of force. In all these examples, okay, what are they? This is not example of force. Here the boy is not giving any force. So this is not example of force. This is example of force. This is example of force, and this is example of force. This is example of force. In all these examples, in order a force to be happen, at least two things are involved. Here the boy and the car are involved. In order a force to be happen. Here two girls are pushing each other. Two girls are pushing each other. So in order force to be happen, two girls are involved. In this case, two girls are pulling each other. They are in contact and they are pulling each other. In this case of two things, at least two things are involved. Here the boy is giving a force on the cow. Here also boy and the cow are involved in the force. So we can infer that in order a force to be happen, at least two things must be involved. At least two things must be involved. Suppose, listen here, when the boy in this first case, the boy is standing behind the car, the boy is not give any touch on the car. So in this example, the boy and the car are separate. Okay, so the force is not happened. Okay, listen here. When I have to give a force, okay, I am giving a force. What I have to do? I am giving a force on the wall. What I have to do? I have to touch the wall first and give pushes and give pushes. So what will do? Here the force is happening. Okay. Second case, if I am not touching the wall, okay, I have to give force on the wall. So I am not touching the wall and give pushes in this leg, but I am not touching here. Just I am pushing. In this case, force will happen? No, force will not happen. So in order for force to be happen, two things must be in contact, two things must be involved. In first case, when I am touching it and giving force, what happens? The wall, when first case, I am giving a force on the wall. What I did? I touch the wall and give the force. So force happened. Second case, what I will do? I didn't touch the wall. I just give this leg action. So in this case, the second case, I and the wall are separate. I and wall are separate. So force will not happen. So in order for force to be happen, at least two things must be involved. At least two things must be involved. So that this is not the case. This is not example of force, because the boy and the car are separate. Boy and the car are separate. This is an example of force. Why? Boy and the car are involved. This is also an example of force. Two girls are involved. Two girls are pushing each other. This is an example of force. Why? Two girls are pulling each other. This is an example of force. The cow and the boy are pulling each other. Okay. So in order for force to be happen, two things must be involved. Two things must be involved. When I have to give a force on the wall, I have to touch the wall and give pushes and give push. Then only the force will be happened. Or otherwise, I have to give the force just like this. Okay, I am not just touching the wall. In this case, when I am giving a force on the wall, but I am not touching, I just give action. In this case, force will not happen. So in order for force to be happen, two things, that I and the wall must be involved. They should not be separate. They should not be separate. So this is first thing. And second thing is, when the first girl, okay, when this is first girl, this is second girl. When first girl gives a push on second girl will also give a push on the first girl. Okay, here first girl is giving a push on the second girl is also pushing first girl. So here force are giving each other. Okay, giving each other. First girl is giving a push on second girl is also giving a push first girl. So force are giving each other. Okay, so this giving each other. So the giving of forces each other is called what? Interactions. In this case also, in these examples also, what happens? First girl is pulling second girl is also pulling first girl. Okay, so here first girl is pulling means giving a force. First girl is giving a force second girl is also giving a force first girl. So in this case also, forces are giving each other. Forces are giving each other. So this giving of forces each other is called what? Interaction. In all forces there is a giving of forces each other will be happened. In this case, the boy is pulling the cow. Cow is standing. Okay, boy is pulling the cow. Okay, the cow is also pulling the boy. So boy is pulling the cow. That means boy is giving a force on the cow. Cow is pulling the boy. That is, cow is giving a force on the boy. So here also forces are giving each other. So this giving of forces each other, okay, when I have to give a force on the wall, okay, what happens? I am giving a push on the wall wall will also give a push on my hand. So I am giving a force on the wall. Wall will also give a force on my hand. So here is force is giving each other. Force are giving each other. So this giving of the forces each other is called what? Interactions. So all forces are due to interactions. In all force there are giving of forces each other will be happen. Giving of forces each other will be happen. So all forces includes there is an interaction. There is an interaction. So all forces are happen due to an interaction. Due to an interaction. Without interaction, without giving each other of forces, the force will not happen. So this is what forces are due to interactions. Okay.